This is James from First Communities at Foundry Point today, and we're trying to get some videos of in-process construction. This is our alloy floor plan. It's 647 square feet. So I'm just trying to get some film here of our backsplashes, our fixtures, and the flooring. Many of our floor plans feature these floor-to-ceiling windows, and we have some with bridge views available. Like I said, this is all in process right now. So we'll try and keep everyone updated as we get a little further along the process here. But it's getting exciting. We're getting very, very close. Within the next month or so, we should be receiving delivery of our first units. All right, that's all for now.